Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you are getting this error message if you typing ghost script shortcut GS in the terminal. If that command is not successful, then in that case potentially there are two reasons. First of all, if you haven't installed ghost script inside your system. Ghost script, if you don't know, it's a PDF software. So first of all, if you haven't installed it, then definitely install this. So I've already downloaded this. So just go to the download section and download Ghost script. It's completely free. It's a PDF converter. So just select any of this. Just select your 64-bit or 32-bit. So it comes with the exe file. I've already downloaded this and installed it, but still I'm getting this error message. I can't access it in the terminal. So you just need to find out the location where ghostscript is installed. So by default it's stored in the C directory, and just search for program files, this folder, and then search for the folder ghostscript. So by default it will create a folder which is GS. This is the folder right here, GS ghostscript. By default it will create this folder. This is the version number, and this is, go to the bin directory where all the executables are present. So if you try to open the terminal right here, type the same command GS sorry, this is GS win64. This is, now it will open the ghostscript right here. So if you do this, if you want to register it globally, so just right click, copy this entire path, and then open your environment variable, go to system variable, just select the path here and edit, and just paste this entire path. So after doing this, simply click OK, and just restart the terminal and just type the command gs win64. So you will be able to now use ghostscript inside from your terminal. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.